Will you be a victim of the crime of the century? The U.S. economy and the economy of the world is in the process of significant change. Many experts believe we're about to enter into a period historians will call the greatest wealth transfer in history. What does that mean? And why should you care? What it means is that anyone who has cash is about to be robbed. No, not by your garden variety thug, but by the Federal Reserve and central bankers of the world. And no, they're not going to show up on your doorstep and rob you at gunpoint. Instead, they're going to print so much counterfeit wealth that the money you have in your wallet and your bank account will become worthless.
And they're doing a good job of it. In 2010, the value of the dollar declined by 44% when priced in silver, and it's about to get even worse, much worse.
Experts predict that within the next 2 to 5 years, the United States and the world will enter into a period of hyperinflation, similar to what Germany went through in the 1920s. This will not happen by accident. This is a carefully orchestrated plan designed to steal our wealth, and most of our friends and family will be robbed blind. So what can we do about it? The mission of Silver One-Up is to learn, share, and earn. When you become a subscriber, you'll be able to access our video library where you can learn what is really going on. Our library is broken up into chapters. You'll complete one nail-biting chapter before moving on to the next, so your knowledge and understanding builds from one set of videos to the next. When you're finished with our video chapters, you'll be smarter than 999 out of 1,000 people in terms of what is really happening and why. Knowledge is power, and with great knowledge comes great responsibility. The next step is to share this information with as many people as possible by helping others understand the truth about our economy and its manipulators, and can give people the power to protect themselves from criminals who are preparing to commit the crime of the century. And when you share this information, you'll be able to earn income, and you can use your money for anything you want. Given that paper money could become worthless in the next several years, you probably won't want to hold on to it for too long. That's okay, because you'll learn what you can do with your Federal Reserve notes before it's too late. So you won't just survive hyperinflation, you'll thrive.